Lisa, May, and Nurul shared N dollars. Nurul received 4 times as much money as Lisa. May received $24 less than Nurul. Okay, now, before you even read the question, right, just draw the model first. Trust me, when you draw the model and you visualize it, and when you read the question, it's going to be a lot easier for you. Okay, let's see. So we know that 3 of them shared for N dollars. Nurul received 4 times as much money as Lisa. So Nurul, remember to go and label 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then Lisa will be 1. So I always draw the dotted line to show that they are all starting from the same starting line. Okay, so done. So every time I draw a model, right, if it's a bit longer, I'll just put a tick to show that I have drawn this part. Then they said that May received $24 less than Nurul. So this is May. The only thing I know is that the bar that I'm going to draw for May will be less than Nurul. But I do not know whether it's more than 1 unit, okay, or not. So I have no idea. But does it matter? Not really. So I will just draw any length. And then the only requirement is that it needs to be shorter than Nurul. That's all. Okay, so I'm going to label this. Again, draw the dotted line. $24. Okay, and I know that the entire thing is N dollars. Now, this is actually how you visualize it. Okay, it's a lot clearer right now. Now, then they say, how much money did Lisa receive in terms of N? So, question mark here. Remind yourself. Now, if you're doing this, right, very, very simple. We know that if I add 24 more dollars, this imaginary $24. Now, if I add this, what will I become? You see, so this one will be if I add $24, comma, total amount ANT dot arrow. Okay, remember, sentence arrow will be N plus 24. Okay, do you realize that if I add this $24, this entire bar will be the same length as this entire bar? Which means now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. Okay, this tells me that 9 units is N plus 24. Simple. Then they're asking for how much money did Lisa receive. Lisa is 1 unit. So if 9 unit is N plus 24, 1 unit will be N plus 24 over 9. So this one is part A. So I'm just going to put part A. So this is the answer. Done. Bracket. Remember your units, remember the bracket. Okay, B. Then they said, if N equals to 93, how much money did Lisa receive? Since we know that Lisa is this amount, okay, so we're going to put Lisa, arrow, write down the amount of money that Lisa received in terms of N first. So it's N plus 24 over 9. Okay, right, equals to, instead of writing N, now you can write 93. So it's 93 plus 24 over 9. Okay, so this will give us what? 93 plus 24, this will give us 3 plus 4, 7, 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, so it's $117. 117 over 9. Okay, long division, 117 over 9. Okay, here will be 1, 9, 11 minus 9, 2, 27. 27 divided by 9 will give us 3, so it's 27, 0. So, $13. Okay, simple. So remember, if you're a parent watching this, remind your child, number 1, draw the model. Okay, number 2, please go write your sentence and then go write your arrow. Presentation must be good so that they can remind themselves of what they are doing. Okay, done.